Strap in, car enthusiasts. The countdown to the best window tint film that can transform your ride starts now. Today, I'm going to be going over the best window tint film that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the FuFin Window Privacy Film. The moment you slide this non-adhesive privacy film onto a standard living room window, you can feel the difference between ordinary clear glass and a surface that balances daylight with discretion. This film is designed for easy, renter-friendly installation because it sticks using static cling rather than glue, which means no sticky residues left behind when you decide to move or remove it. It's built to transform a bare pane into a softly diffused surface that still greets sunbeams without letting neighbors or street traffic peek in during the day. In practice, the privacy comes from a frosted texture that scatters incoming light, so you retain a bright interior while maintaining a level of opacity from the outside. The material tolerates daily expansion and contraction, so it won't sag, peel, or peel away in a hot afternoon, and it resists minor scratches from daily dusting or cleaning. The surface is engineered to resist fingerprints and smudges, making routine maintenance simple with a damp cloth or mild soap solution. UV rejection is a real benefit here, not the aggressive tint you'd see on a car film, but enough to cut glare and minimize fading of furnishings and rugs. Film's edge transitions blend with most window frames, supporting a clean, seamless look across a whole wall or a single storefront pane. When you walk past the window at different times of day, you notice that the interior remains more comfortable, with reduced hot spots near the glass and a more consistent lighting level for screens and tasks. Homeowners and renters who want a quick visual upgrade without committing to a permanent change, this film shines through with its ability to be repositioned during installation and even removed without leaving a trace. It also provides a tempered sense of privacy that doesn't overdarken rooms, maintaining a useful balance between privacy and the ability to enjoy the view during afternoon light. Compared to the Rabbitgoo window privacy film, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the FuFin window privacy film offers easier repositioning and a lighter, more universal aesthetic that at number 4, we have the Rabbitgoo window privacy film. This film is a versatile choice for anyone who values both privacy and the ability to filter daylight with a soft, diffused glow. It's designed as a non-adhesive static cling product, which means you install it by placing it onto the glass surface and smoothing out air pockets with a squeegee or your hands. The result is a surface that is easy to adjust during installation and surprisingly forgiving if you need to reposition it after measuring mistakes or window repairs. The decor-oriented Rabbitgoo line often includes frosted or decorative patterns that obscure the view into a living space while still letting you enjoy a bright indoor atmosphere. Key feature is its UV protection, which helps reduce aging effects on furniture and photos by cutting down the sun's ultraviolet rays. The film resists yellowing and maintains clarity in the foreground view while providing privacy at typical street-level angles. If you're an energy-conscious homeowner, you'll appreciate how the film can lower glare on bright screens, enabling more comfortable use of devices during peak sun hours. Cleaning is straightforward. Wipe with a mild solution, then dry, without causing clouding or warping of the film. In terms of durability, the surface is built to resist mild scratches and daily handling, which is a meaningful advantage for households with kids or pets who might brush against the glass. Its wider appeal comes from the combination of price, ease of installation, and the option to choose patterns that match modern interiors or playful decor. Compared to the FuFin window privacy film, which I have included as number 5 on this list, Rabbitgoo offers a slightly more decorative option while still staying practical and secure for daily use. At number 3, we have the BDF NA05. This model positions itself as a robust privacy solution with a slightly more minimalist approach to glass transformation. The NA05 line emphasizes a balance of privacy and daylight, delivering a soft diffusion that blurs outside details without isolating the indoors from the outside world. The installation concept usually hinges on a static cling or adhesive variant, depending on the exact batch, but the core promise remains the same: an easy-to-handle product that can be trimmed to fit custom window sizes and shapes. Film's design minimizes glare while still offering a pleasant indoor ambience for reading, cooking, or relaxing near a sunny window. It is often marketed as a durable option that can withstand regular cleaning cycles without deteriorating or losing its diffusing properties. For households that require a neutral appearance across different rooms, the BDF NA05 portfolio tends to stay unobtrusive, allowing furniture and wall colors to shine rather than getting overshadowed by a bold tint. Renewal experience of the film, whether you are installing it on a kitchen sash or a bedroom pane, remain user-friendly thanks to its conformable texture and predictable performance. Film is also marketed as a good option for offices and shared spaces, where consistent daylight and privacy must be balanced across several panes. Compared to the Rabbitgoo window privacy film, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the BDF NA05 tends to lean toward a quieter, more understated aesthetic that prioritizes daylight diffusion over decorative options. At number 2, we have the KESPEN window privacy film. This product leans into the reflective, anti-UV category, with a design that can significantly alter the external appearance of a glass pane while keeping interior spaces comfortable. The reflective layer helps to bounce a portion of heat back outside, which translates to cooler rooms on hot days and less strain on cooling systems. This kind of film is particularly effective on street-facing windows or storefronts where the outside appearance matters as much as privacy. Silicone-coated or self-adhesive variants commonly associated with KESPEN lines offer a reliable bond that stands up to daily cleaning and routine window maintenance, though you must follow the manufacturer's guidance to avoid air pockets or dust inclusion under the film. In practice, users report a noticeable improvement in glare reduction and a higher degree of privacy from exterior observers, especially when the sun is at a lower angle. Reflective finish can take some getting used to for interior sightlines, especially under certain lighting conditions, so a test piece or small trial installation is often recommended. Film's anti-UV properties help protect interior furnishings, artwork, and fabrics from sun damage, extending the life of valued possessions. For households seeking a cool, modern aesthetic with a touch of metallic sheen, KESPEN provides a distinctive option that complements contemporary interiors and exterior architecture. Compared to the BDF NA05, which I have included as number 3 on this list, KESPEN emphasizes reflective privacy and heat rejection, trading a softer diffusion for a cooler exterior appearance. At number 1, we have the RockRose car window tint film. This is the top pick in this lineup because it pairs professional-grade performance with practical, on-the-road benefits. RockRose is built around carbon technology and a robust adhesive system, which means the tint film not only delivers strong heat rejection and UV protection, but also a reliable bond that resists peeling on the harsh environment of car glass. Carbon construction contributes to a darker, more even shade that enhances privacy while preserving a natural viewing experience from the inside out. For drivers, the film minimizes infrared heat, helping cabin temperatures stay cooler and reducing the burden on the air conditioning system. Optical clarity remains strong to preserve color accuracy inside the vehicle and reduce distortion, even on long trips or under midday glare. Of course, installation matters with tint films, and RockRose supplies professional-grade adhesive that must be carefully aligned with the window contours to avoid air bubbles, creases, or edges that lift over time. This model is known for its durability and resistance to fading, so it continues to look consistent after many seasons of sun exposure. Maintenance remains straightforward. Wipe with a microfiber cloth and a mild cleaner, avoiding harsh solvents that could degrade the film's surface. For a user evaluating privacy, heat rejection, and a lasting finish for a car window, RockRose stands out as a comprehensive solution that can be installed by pros or confident DIYs who take their time. Paired to the KESPEN window privacy film, which I have included as number 2 on this list, RockRose emphasizes inner comfort, optical clarity, and a lower risk of external reflections interfering with daytime driving, making it the best option for those who want a professional-grade tint with predictable, durable results.